So the first thing is whenever we miss any target, we feel demotivated. That is
Yes.
true. But what should be our thought process about it? See, whenever I am not able to complete any task in my task list, I carry it over to the next. Now, all my tasks right now are very, very necessary for the company and for my team. So I can't just put it off. So next day, what I'll do, I'll put in extra hours to compensate. When I was studying as a student, that was my attitude always. If I'm not able to complete a task today, I'll compensate with my sleep. The best thing that I always sacrifice, the first thing that I sacrificed was the sleep. See, sometimes we are a lot distracted, like we are watching movies, we are watching web series, we are doing a lot of stuff other than study. You are free to do that. Definitely, you should do that. But do one thing, take that time out from your sleep. Then your mind will clearly understand what are your priorities. Don't take that time out from your study. If you have decided that you are going to study every day for 6 hours, you have dedicated 6 hours slot to solve problems, to study theory and all those things, then keep those 6 hours aside and now do rest of the things. If you are not able to complete your task today and you want to watch a movie, complete the task, cut the hours of sleep and easily watch a movie. Then after 2 3 days, your mind will itself tell you movie can wait, but first we need to rest. So your priorities automatically get sorted.